Welcome to another day in my life, and in today's episode we're going to be cleaning up for Lunar New Year. There's nothing crazier than cleaning the house and prepping for the holiday.
Nope. Sorry, I the castle. That's fine, that's our driveway.
Fine.
Good share. What is it?
A little bit. When you have kids, you want them to enjoy every aspect of their childhood. More work will be required on your part, so let's continue part 3 where we'll be cleaning together in order to prep their house for the holiday ready mode. Last night while the girls slept, my delivery for the 2 plant came. One is a New Year tree, Ketat, and the other is the New Year flower, Wadao. These 2 plants set me back about $900. Well worth it to be honest, because it's just not a holiday without either one. The girl will love it because they love fruit tree, and I love it because I love tree or flowered roots. In order to make up for the cost, because as you know, I'm the type that like to make more than I spend, I decided to pick up some extra work, and this is the last minute pickup gig. Fuck this shit. Too long. A few feet too short, but waiting area that we have on the 3rd floor here. Amazing, right? It's so cool. You can fit so much stuff here, and out here is the balcony in the deck. That's not a lot of space. Now let's go into the living room. Here's the 4th bedroom. Also amazing. As well, a very, very long stretch in the deck, which I'll show you as well. But first, I'm going to show you the washer and dryer hookup area and pantry space in the back. Close this really quick. Continuing on to the back. Open, little screen door here, and it was a long stretch in the back. Very quiet neighborhood as you can see. So yeah, it's nice to just chill out here. Alright, off the door here. And that's it. Hopefully you'll make this your new apartment. What happened? No. Not all when we done.
Property. Let the thing flow.
Y'all, this is not a wedding dress. And it's gonna get dirty after that. This is only a go out outfit, not a work outfit. Oh my god.
Say bye.
No.
Say bye.
Never goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
No.
Yes, say bye.
No. I did not get much sleep last night, to be honest, so I'm worn to the bone. However, at least the 1st floor is fully clean. The kitchen, workroom, bathroom, living room, all clean.
Am I a monster? Am I a monster? Yeah. Oh, where's Kate?
In 5, 4, no.
Uh-oh! You don't run fast enough, I will bite you! I will bite you too! I'm the monster! I'm the monster! I will bite you! Oh, you shouldn't have messed up my chair! Now I will eat both of you! Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Oh, where? Oh, where can Kate and Cara be? Is she over here?
No.
No? Then where's Kate and Cara?
It's Cara.
I see you too. No, đập đầu đâu rồi? Đi ra ngoài. Out now. Put the bathtub back, Kara. Put it back, please. Mama gotta fix this soon. Beth.
It's a crib.
Yep, it's a baby crib.
It's like yellow water.
It's toilet. Yep, where you pee yellow water.
It's pink.
It's Kate toilet.
No, that was my toilet.
Yeah, your toilet.
Open. Shut.
Shut. Good job.
I actually stopped at a few Asian stores and picked up some Asian decor for the new year. I actually really love it, especially this area, with my husband hooking me up with all the how remember here was where the balls were for Christmas. Well, now it is now a New Year look. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself.
Thank you for coughing in my face.
Ow!
Ow! Wow! Mama has to clean.
Clean.
Yes, clean. No fun.
With the first floor fully ready for New Year, now it's time to clean my living room on the second floor. As you know, in the past few videos I showed you me cleaning up the kids' room. The kids' rooms are nice and beautiful. Now it's time for me to clean my room. And I think my closet has been the biggest struggle. I haven't had time to really climb the third floor to clean up there first, but I'm pretty sure I'll find a day to finish it somehow. But everything you see in this particular small closet, obviously it's not done yet, is what I purchased this year and hasn't been able to record or wear it out yet, or hasn't filmed adequate video for. So these are my favorites. Of course, they're my favorite for now, but once I've worn them, or once I've already had photographed with them, I'll move them up to the third floor, and maybe I'll have a chance to wear them the second time some other time. If you're interested in the product that I use in order to organize my closet, I will link that down in the description bar. I will do a close-up tour in a new video, this way I can explain more about it, but for this video it's really just relocating everything and just getting everything off the floor and just cleaning up the floor, making sure there's no more dust. Anytime it has to do with cleaning the closet, it does take multiple days because I have children, I have work, I have mom responsibility, so it's actually really hard to clean everything all at once. When you want to get something done, I honestly feel that if you just put in a little extra time, you can. I'm quite proud of my ability to get things done in a short amount of time, and I'm just loving these flowers that's blooming really fast. I cannot wait to celebrate the holiday. And something different that I'll be doing this year definitely is going to be applying decal to mirrors or like reflection surfaces, just because I feel pep talk is really important. It makes you brighten up your day, and minimal touches here and there really does add a little splash of color to the house. It makes you happy, especially if you're someone who work a lot. Like, you're beautiful, you know, like I think as a mom, one of the things that I do let go of is my look. I just don't care for myself, and I always feel so low and unhappy with how I look. So a little pep talk, a little quote here and there really does make a difference. And by the way, I also did got these decals from Amazon. I linked that down below as well, and there's so many other quotes that you can use for your workroom or for your boss babe vibe.
Proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself? Why didn't you stop her, Kate?
And fair warning, from this point forward, I want to let you know that when you have kids, it's very hard to keep them clean, and if you notice they change 30 times a day, it's because they do. And don't mind Kara always having to face the wall, because she's always doing something bad, so she always gets punished. Because when mommy spend all day cleaning and you start doing this, it pisses mommy off.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Katie, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Wow. Wow.
a fan. And they were holding it like those Chinese fan.
Dizzy, chóng mặt hả?
Dizzy, she said angry.
That's so dizzy.
Oh, Dizzy. Yes. Not dizzy no more.
Okay, more. Đâu chân con? Hurt?
She goes. Can't encourage your lady.
I see flower.
Oh,
My flower.
it's your flower.
My tree.
Yes, that's your tree. It's cold. Go inside. And I actually purchased this for them in every freaking color. You'll definitely see the photo shoot coming soon. I got these super cheap on Amazon. They're way cheaper on Amazon than I would get at a Chinese store. It's give me high five on the side, down low, too slow. Daddy not playing it right. Ôi begging Fuka. After they're done playing dress up, they change back to their original clothes, and my oldest is now talking to Grandma and showing Grandma her new tree because she quite loved her new tree. You showing Grandma your tree? I know, you just tilt it up. Now talk to Grandma. Oh, yo, look at her. Babe. Babe, look at her. She's trying to show Grandma the whole tree. Nó đứng lên ghế luôn để mà nó show mẹ cái dây cây á. Come down, Grandma already see it. Come down, show Grandma. Good girl, good job. Look at flower. Very proud of her flower.
Cháu cái cờ, cháu cái thứ ba. Cháu cái cờ.
Wow.
Wow, balance low. Up a little. Up a little. Up chút xíu nữa. Cái cờ. Cái cờ.
And that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And for the 30-day vlog challenge, the next gift is a 2-piece face wash and mask.